हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। आज हम मिल रहे हैं टू प्रिडिक्ट व्हाट द लाइनअप वुड लुक लाइक फॉर टुमारोज चैंपियंस लीग गेम। आई होप सौरभ यू आर एक्साइटेड। चैंपियंस लीग अभी ऑल्टरनेट सीजन या फिर कभी कभी होप्स ही नहीं रहते, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड। आई होप यू आर टू।
Yeah, absolutely. Great to be back in the Champions League.
Oh, I'm really excited to hear that music, the champions वाला. But yeah, हम मिल रहे हैं to predict the lineups. Team news जो है, we'll be talking about that. Why some players are currently missing, and potentially हम कल क्या formation खेल सकते हैं. There might be a couple of formations that we'll talk about, and also how PSG will line up. So let's dive straight into it. The players, like actually the players that we were expecting would travel with the squad, some of them are missing, and उसमें Maguire, I guess, एक है सौरभ.
Yep.
Then अपना Bai, who didn't play the last game, is missing as well. Then who else? Lingard बोलना चाहता हूँ, but I was not expecting him in anyways to start, but he's also missing. और कौन है सौरभ? If you
Greenwood and Cavani.
ग्रीनवुड एंड कवानी, दो बड़े बड़े प्लेयर का नाम भूल रहा हूँ. बट हाँ, ये मेन चार प्लेयर्स तो हम मतलब वी आर डेफिनेटली मिसिंग देम गोइंग इनटू अ चैंपियंस लीग गेम. थॉट्स अबाउट इट, मतलब क्या मगवायर तो मतलब वी वर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. सौरभ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाई इज मगवायर नॉट ट्रैवलिंग? ही हैड अ प्रीटी गुड गेम.
So, press conference में Solskjaer ने बोला कि he has a knock, and he may be fit for the weekend's game against Chelsea. ठीक है. तो either it can be genuinely कि उसको knock है and he's out, which is unfortunate. Otherwise, दूसरा एक हो सकता है कि it might be a way of playing Maguire in the easier game against Newcastle, where there was a higher chance of us keeping a clean sheet and Maguire को थोड़ा positive light में portray करने का, and he ended up scoring a goal. And ये जो difficult game है, वहाँ पे it is a good opportunity to take him out of the limelight. जो last game में सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि rest Maguire या bench Maguire या जो भी, this is a good game to give him some break, knowing that वो fast forwards के against ना मतलब इतना effective नहीं है as compared to big physical forwards. तो against Neymar Mbappe उसको बिठाना might not be the worst thing, and it will also go under the radar. अगर न्यूकासल में बैठा था तो it would have been in the news. So it might be a sort of mind games करके he might be preparing for Chelsea, which is the must-win game. The key thing here is this is not a must-win game. We play every team in our group twice, home and away. We need to beat Istanbul home and away. That will give us 6 points. We need to beat Leipzig at least once. Okay? That will give us 9 points. And in the two games against Paris and one game, the remaining game against Leipzig, somehow we need to get 1 or 2 points. So we can afford to lose 2 games against Paris and still qualify for the qualify through the group in the first or second place. Okay? So ये must win game नहीं है. And looking at the next 5 fixtures, I think this might be a good time to just shut up shop, defend करो ज़्यादा, मतलब play it out for a draw. जीते तो ठीक है, try to make it at the end. This might not be our grand entry to the re-entry to the Champions League. This might just become a dull, boring draw, which I take.
Right. पर ये अपना tough group है, so hopefully we are not taking it that lightly. We definitely go in with an intent to win.
Absolutely.
Neither of us are expecting that we go on the front foot and try to match PSG, because with our current team quality, if we try to do that, or at least the way we are inconsistent, I think if we try to do that, we might end up failing. So yeah, I completely agree with you. Baika I was surprised. I thought even last game he would have been on the bench, but he didn't. जबकि वो आइवरी कोस्ट के लिए उसके पिच पहले 90 मिनट्स खेल चुका था. Prior to that there was an injury scare, and then he played 90 minutes. So I'm surprised. Maybe he took another knock, जो kind of हम expect कर सकते हैं बाई से. Is a bit like a very delicate.
I'm close to giving up on Bai. मुझे he has everything, मतलब physical attributes में pace है, height है, power है, he's decent on the ball, he can make a tackle, सब कुछ है उसके पास to be a really good defender,
Right.
but somehow concentration नहीं है, makes stupid mistakes, gets caught out positionally.
Right.
कभी कभी गेम में उसको ऐसा लगता है कि he goes missing and that's a very bad trait for a center back.
Right.
So थोड़ा I'm always a little shaky when Bai is playing. तो ठीक ही है नहीं है तो.
And big news is Greenwood, right? Greenwood एक तो शॉकर था लास्ट गेम में. सोल्जर ने कुछ स्पेसिफिकली बताया क्या टाइप का इंजरी है और इज इट जस्ट सम काइंड ऑफ अ नॉक? Did he mention?
Again, yeah, he didn't mention anything. There were reports that this is disciplinary because Brandon Williams and Greenwood were out drinking before the Newcastle game. उसके वजह से मतलब ये but Solskjaer ने press conference में बोला कि but if that was the case then why is Brandon Williams in the squad? So it is an injury. Again, it might be mind games to protect the more vulnerable player. Someone so जितना Brandon Williams को bad light में दिखाया जाएगा उसे कई ज़्यादा Greenwood को bad light में दिखाया जाएगा in the press. So it might just be mind games. So you never know.
Right. And Cavani थोड़ा expected था कि he just came and joined the team. So उतना training भी नहीं किया है. Match fitness obviously March में वो last game खेला था. So he needs to be a bit more fit. I am excited that he's missing this game because वो pressure भी रहता था कि that he's playing his former employer. Champions League का game है. It would be great that if he can start against Chelsea. I don't know how. We'll talk about that in the next video. But I'm excited that he's going to try to build on his fitness, work on it 4-5 days, and then hopefully be available for Chelsea.
Yep.
Lingard ke bare mein, I don't think we really need to talk.
No.
Yeah, pretty much. I was hoping he would be sold. So you as well. So a couple of players who were not registered and hence didn't travel. Romero, obviously, BV ने भी उसके club को गाली दी है. I feel very much like I do agree with what his wife said. It's very disrespectful. A senior player, a senior pro who has been with the team, and I don't know why again we could not allow him to go when he served us pretty well. Jones, again, I think he falls in the same category as Lingard, right? I hope you agree.
And Lingard Jones से थोड़ा ज़्यादा promising है.
Yeah. And then Rojo as well, obviously not in the squad, not registered for Champions League, and obviously, so in a way with Maguire, by Jones Rojo जो अपने books मतलब Jones Rojo जो अभी भी books पे है, we have like totally lost 4 center backs for this game, so that's one concern area. Okay, so talking about captaincy with Maguire out, जो इतना सब स्पेकुलेशन चल रहा था न्यूज में, एंटी ब्रूनो चल रहा था, टॉपिक्स आ रहे थे. आई सॉ ब्रूनो शेयरिंग द डायस विद सोल्जर, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में था, एंड ब्रूनो हैज बीन कॉल्ड द कैप्टन फॉर दिस गेम. व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स अबाउट दैट?
Makes perfect sense. He was the captain on the pitch. He was a leader on the pitch. दिखता है कि when things are not going right, he is the one person who is vocal. So makes perfect sense. And this again plays perfectly के Maguire को ऐसे भी नहीं कि बिठाया या रेस्ट किया ऐसे. It's apparently an injury. Conveniently fans को जो Bruno captain चाहिए था. So he's slipping in the fact that Bruno is potentially going to be the vice captain. So Maguire जब नहीं खेलेगा तभी Bruno is going to be the captain.
Right.
So that's the dynamic. Interesting है कि and exciting है कि the manager who has bought 2 players that he wanted in the squad are now within months of them joining are going to be the captain and the vice captain of the club. So
right.
This is shaping into a Solskjaer team, which is good for us.
Right. So yeah, next thing जो बात करना था अभी, we are going to talk about the lineup and the formation. But क्या लगता है Pogba और VDB, obviously Van de Beek, both have been in the news. Pogba क्या लगता है खेलेगा या क्या लगता है उसके बारे में?
Uh, there is a good chance that both of them will not play. Um, there is a fair chance that one of them will play. There is very low chance that both of them will play. Bruno will start. उसके साथ शायद एक थोड़ा अटैकिंग इंटेंट वाला मिडफील्डर खिला सकता है. दोनों तो नहीं खेलेंगे. पॉग्बा इन पेरिस, स्पेशली लास्ट टाइम हम लोग पेरिस में जब भी जीते थे तब भी उसके यूट्यूब वीडियोस या जो भी इंस्टाग्राम वीडियोस वायरल हुए थे विथ हिम एंड एब्रा. So there is that hate between Paris and Pogba. You never know if that might inspire Pogba to do something special. But I won't be surprised if Pogba is benched for that reason. Okay? We do not want individualism in this game. We want to play as a team. The only way we'll win this game is if we stick together and defend as a team. इसके लिए शायद Pogba को बिठा सकते हैं. Between Pogba and Van de Beek, मुझे लगता है कि Van de Beek को खिलाना चाहिए. He's a harder runner, more hardworking है ज़्यादा, better without the ball, ज़्यादा defend कर सकता है, lots of energy, everything else Pogba does better, but all of these Van de Beek अच्छा करता है, and he does other things that Pogba does. Might not be as good, but
and matlab, I won't go too much into detail, but I completely agree with you. If we have to start another attacking player besides Bruno, it has to be Van de Beek. Pogba, with this high press that PSG play, Pogba gets dispossessed very easily. He has the ability, not ability, he's used to giving away balls in dangerous areas. Free kick de dega, या dispossess हो जाएगा, and counter पे they have lethal players. Right? They have Mbappe, Neymar, Sarabia रहेगा या फिर Di Maria रहेगा, who knows.
And that's where I'm expecting Pogba, अगर if things are 1-1 या even if you're a goal down या ऐसे कुछ, unless we are 2-3 goals up, which I don't expect us to be, ऐसे situation मुझे लगता है कि after 70 minutes Pogba might make an entry, Mata might make an entry, and we might try to take hold of the ball या ऐसे कुछ, but I don't think Pogba will start.
And you don't think Mata, after a brilliant game, will start this one?
Not a chance.
Okay. Yeah, even I agree. I think he needs to be used in a right way. We saw how good he can be against a team like Newcastle, and given he's 32 now, Solskjaer should choose when he should really play. So yeah, I agree. So let's dive. Yeah.
Interesting that Mata ने पूरा match खेला and Matic came in as a very late substitute. I think at any given point we can only afford to play one of Mata or Matic. Because we cannot have two players who are that slow. We need to have more energy and more legs on the field. So last match was good for Mata to play. This match is going to be good for Matic to play. And you never know, Chelsea ke against वापस Mata खेल सकता है.
Right. Okay, so let's dive into the formation piece of it. Quickly go ahead and show you guys. Okay, थोड़ा पहले ही स्कूप मिल गया है लोगों को, कोई देख रहा था तो. But anyways, so हाँ, firstly हमने दो formation सोचे. One formation is where we play 4 at the back, where we start with 4 players at the back. And it's more like a 4-3-1-2 diamond formation खेल रहे. In backline mein, I guess we are, if we go with this, it seems like Tuanzebe will have to start, and it's a very challenging game for him, to be honest. Right up, like I'll come out and say that, because एक तो injury से आ रहा है, he hasn't played too many games, and he has to face वो left side पे अगर रहने वाला है, right side पे, so he's going to face Neymar and Mbappe. So yeah, if this is the formation we start, he's going to have a tough time. But yeah, Wan Bissaka will have a tough job as well. Lindelof, जो हम इतना criticize कर रहे थे, he again he'll have to step up tomorrow. Shaw will most likely start if we are playing four at the back, is what I think, and I guess Saurabh, you agree as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. And in the midfield three, we are saying that at the base of the midfield, Matic would be the one. On the left of him would be Fred, and on to the right would be VDP, who brings in the movement, like the intelligent movement, and also the passing array that he has. So ये formation हम पहले बात कर रहे थे कि if an attacking player has to play besides alongside Bruno, that will be VDP. And obviously Bruno, the captain, number 10, and up front Rashford and Martial. Martial coming back after a good amount of rest after that red card. So I hope he's all pumped up to really take the chances and score some goals.
So इसमें as you rightly said, right, the back four has to be solid, but उससे भी मतलब उससे भी ज़्यादा important है कि Van der Beek or the midfield three who shields that should be the first line of defense. So
Right.
Van der Beek, Matic, Fred is going to be the first line of defense. So अगर
Right.
उनके जो overlapping full backs और जो उनके flying wingers है, नेमार, एम्बापे, सराबिया, डिमारिया, ये सब जो है, उनको I think Van der Beek and Fred will have to tuck back and protect the wings so that they don't attack through the wings. And Matic, Tuanzebe, Lindelof will have to protect the center. So ये almost एक तुम्हारा defensive team है जो keeper को पकड़ के these are 8 players in defense. So not really 2 banks of 4, but 1 bank of 4 and 1 bank of 3, completely shielding your defense. And then you leave Bruno to connect passes to your forwards. इसमें the only worry is getting the ball from Van der Beek, Matic, Fred to the front three. जिसकी वजह से Van der Beek is a better option because he can be that connect between the defensive team and the attacking team, and occasionally join the attack. वहां पे there is an argument that McTominay can play as well to even solidify the defense. McTominay, Fred, Matic, तीनों defensive capabilities वाले midfielders, but then I would be concerned कि वो midfield से front three को कैसे connect करेंगे. That might be a challenge.
I'm afraid of that as well. अगर McTominay, Fred and Matic खेलते हैं, the transition when you suddenly have the ball from well in your maybe even your 6-yard box, suddenly transition karna, it would be tough, and Van der Beek brings that ability here. So completely agree with you. जो midfield है, they will have to run in the right channels and move so that they are ready to receive the ball whenever our defenders are looking for passes. They shouldn't let these defenders who are clearly going to be vulnerable tomorrow. These guys will have to, Van der Beek and Fred definitely will have to move a whole lot. They'll have to find those spaces where they can receive the ball and quickly transition it further forward. Okay. So हमने और कुछ pretty much touching upon some of the things we said.
एक चीज हम लोग ने मिस किया कि कल अपने को पता चलेगा कि is Henderson going to be our cup goalkeeper only for the Carabao and FA Cup या across all cups, जैसे मरीनियो रोमेरो को यूरोपा, FA Cup और Carabao Cup में खिलाता था, and De Gea was his Premier League keeper. Champions League is a different ball game altogether, but कल अपने को पता चलेगा कि is Henderson going to be playing the cup games and De Gea playing the league games? Yeah, De Gea is going to be Premier League and Champions League, and everything else is going to be Henderson. वो भी पता चलेगा कल.
Right. मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लग रहा है कि हेंडरसन कल स्टार्ट करेगा, ऐसे मुझे लग रहा है, एंड De Gea will play the Chelsea game, but
and अगर वैसे हुआ तो भी आई थिंक सोल्जर के पास एक पोस्ट मैच में ये रहेगा कि De Gea hit his shoulder against the post against Newcastle, and he can say कि he had a slight knock,
Right.
So it's a convenient excuse.
Right.
So things are थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे PR manipulate करने के लिए things are falling in Solskjaer's plate.
Right. Right. Yeah. And bench pe obviously quickly cherry picking some of the key players, right? Pogba जो ये lineup starting 11 में नहीं दिख रहा. Off the bench impact के लिए obviously world class player to have. Telles who might end up making his debut. Mata who had a great game. If needed, he can jump in. McTominay obviously to add that defensive stability, as we said earlier, right? Igalo, James, I am not sure if they might come unless there is some kind of injury to Rashford or Marshall, or maybe James might come in at some point, if at all, for Rashford. Worst case scenario.
Yeah.
But
इसमें ये bench में मुझे लगता है कि if we are ahead after 70 minutes, then Telles will come in. We will switch to a back five. Wan-Bissaka on the right back. Tuanzebe will play the right centre back. Lindelof and Shaw will play the other two centre backs, and Telles will slot in on the left full back, left wing back.
right.
अगर हम लोग if we are a goal down या a couple of goals down जो हो सकता है, then we'll bring in Pogba in place of Fred या Matic. We can bring Mata in place of again one of the midfielders. Igalo, James, you're right. Unless it's an injury, मतलब एकदम we are then lumping the ball forward ऐसे, and we want a big man to hold up the ball या bring others into play ऐसे कुछ long ball type खेलने वाले. If we go deep into the game, तो Igalo आ सकता है. But otherwise, I don't see Igalo and James getting minutes.
Right. And one of the like press conference में ओले का एक comment था. Just wanted to touch upon that. उसको obviously पूछा कि what does he think about the game, and he was asked about the last obviously that VAR penalty that we got, the game that we won. His comment was, I'll just read it out. We are a different team. They are a different team, and it's a different stage of the competition, obviously, right, from last time around. Without fans, it will also be a different game, which we like. I'm pretty sure as fans, we are not experiencing, but the players definitely are. And I thought, and it says, I thought the last game when we got the early goal that impacted the crowd. So it's a whole new situation. So he's completely detaching that particular game because people are trying to bring that thing back again and again. He's trying to detach that sentiment, and he's saying this is a completely fresh start.
And he's also implying that was a must-win game, and we had to win it with a 2-goal margin. This we don't have to win. A draw would be a great result here.
Right. So yeah, quickly a few things, Saurabh. We just were talking about what we should be doing in this game, right? We spoke about the formation, who should start, and all that stuff. But there were a few things that I guess bullet points जो ध्यान में रखना चाहिए players ने.
Four things that we should do.
4 things we should do. So obviously keep the front three quiet. Yeah. Right? I think Neymar and Mbappe तो definitely start करने वाला है. अगर Di Maria start किया तो we already know what kind of a world class player he is. Second thing is focus on the defensive shape. As we said, like back eight जैसा रहेगा without the ball at certain points of time because they keep good position, they maintain high pressure. So you'll have to focus on that shape so that you don't give away ball easily and also you recover it quickly and make those transitions. And obviously, the next thing that I already spoke about, move the ball forward quickly when we win it. And that's the reason we think that VDB might play, Van de Beek will play so that the transition is possible. Obviously, the last thing, be clinical on the break, right? And that is the most important thing. ज़्यादा chances मिलने नहीं वाले, will be probably like 30-35% possession. थोड़े जो chances मिलेंगे, we have to take those, score those goals.
Yep. So इसमें ही another flavor with these exact same players, एक और flavor हो सकता है formation का,
right?
Which formation Solskjaer always uses, not this one. With the same players, Solskjaer का preferred favorite formation is 4-2-3-1. तो
Right.
the same back four, Fred and Matic will be the two holding pivot. Bruno will still be the number 10. Rashford will be the left forward. Martial will be the center forward. And Van der Beek will tuck in protecting on the right hand side. जैसे Mata is not really a right winger जो last match में खेला था, but he started as a right midfielder. वैसे Van der Beek can play that role. So यही टीम के साथ, यही starting lineup के साथ थोड़ा ऐसे tilt, basically it same formation tilted towards the right, and it'll basically be that.
Right. Correction, Mata last match नहीं 7 साल से right winger खेल रहा है. But yeah, that is another formation that we can definitely try out. And Van der Beek का जो intelligent movements है, he reads the game well. That is one of the biggest reasons we brought him. So I feel, yeah, even if he's said, hey, right side पे थोड़ा protection भी दे and channels भी बना to make those passes, yeah, that should work. Yep. And as I already jumped the gun, the other formation which we already spoke about, right? The other formation where we can play fire at the back with Telles starting. But yeah, in the back five, you will, instead of the only additional player here is Telles. Like he'll take that left wing back position. Shaw is still there, but he'll be a left center back player. Lindelof, Tuanzebe, and Wan Bissaka right wing back. But I think he'll probably be tucking in more on the defensive side and not moving as forward.
Basically इसमें एरन वान बिसाका और टुआंजीबे दो लोग तुम्हारे नेमार को पकड़ेंगे. टेलेस एंड शॉ दो लोग एम्बापे को पकड़ेंगे, एंड एम्बापे सराबिया. मैटिच, फ्रेड एंड लिंडेलॉफ विल ब्लॉक द सेंटर. सो ये पूरा ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक करेंगे. बट इसमें जो पहले मैंने बोला था कि प्रॉब्लम के मिडफील्ड से फ्रंट थ्री कनेक्ट करने वाला ऑप्शंस कम है. वैन डर बीक will offer a higher probability of us doing that. यहाँ पे we'll have to rely on Telles and Fred. Telles can be good. Just that Telles अभी आया, उसने he has barely trained with the team. I see this as an unlikely option. बहुत ही डिफेंसिव जाना है तो इसमें टेलेस की जगह पे विलियम्स को खिला सकता है. बट आई फील दैट वुड बी अ लिटिल टू डिफेंसिव. मतलब बहुत ही हम लोग मोरिनियो फुटबॉल खेलेंगे अगर वैसे किया तो.
Yep. And yeah, ये फॉर्मेशन पॉसिबल बहुत ज्यादा लाइकली रहता है had we had Maguire for this game, or like a center back who had some games under his belt. So let's see क्या होता है. Man of the match prediction, I guess Saurabh you agree, जो हमने यहाँ डाला है, Bruno most likely, hopefully penalty और एक मिल जाए और बाकी fans की जले ये देख के.
Return of Penchester, yes.
Penchester United.
Yeah, I see us I see us scoring from a set piece. यहाँ पे either free kick हो, because especially अगर if we have Van der Beek, Bruno, who are both going to play, yeah, even Bruno and Telles, who both deliver a terrific dead ball.
Right.
Corner से we can score because उनके center backs are not that big, and they're not that great in the air. हम लोग free kick से score कर सकते हैं. Again, Bruno, Rashford, Telles, Van der Beek, plenty of people who can score off the direct free kick. Penchester तो है ही हम. So this time Bruno will score and he will be the man of the match.
Yep. And score prediction 1-1 हम बोल रहे हैं, right? Hopefully it's a draw. Yeah.
I think we can nick a goal. I'm worried about whether we can stop them to just one goal.
Right. हमें वही again बहुत chances कम मिलेंगे हमें, तो as long as we can restrict them, who knows? I would even love a 1-0, which looks highly unlikely. But yeah.
अगर ये उनके forward line के against हम लोग ने clean sheet रखा तो मतलब why are we even talking about it? नहीं होगा.
Yeah, but yeah, actually we need to talk about what kind of threat. Obviously we know Neymar का world class capability है, Mbappe obviously. What else can we expect from or what else should we actually do? Like besides set pieces, is there any other opportunity you think we can hit them?
Yeah.
Or
Over the top balls, through balls, quickly transitioning quickly from back to front, वही एक है.
Mhm.
Use Marshall, Rashford, Bruno का interplay. That is open play से that is the only way I see scoring. I don't see कि ऐसे lobbed cross पे headed goal ऐसे सब नहीं मारने वाले हम लोग. At
अपने
least
पास
उतनी
स्ट्राइकर
pace
ही
पे
नहीं है वैसा,
हाँ नहीं करने वाले.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली.
we are
Right.
not we are not going to have a hugely possession based goal. अगर possession based रहेगा तो भी जैसे न्यूकासल के against ब्रूनो का गोल था वैसे it will be quick break, डिफेंस से ब्रेक करके it will be interchanging 2-3 passes में गोल होगा. I doubt हम लोग ऐसे बहुत 25 पास वाला गोल मारेंगे ये मैच में.
Right. Okay. Anyways, last thing quickly that before we wrap up, know our opponent. Obviously, हम लोग बात कर चुके हैं, and based on a bunch of matches that PSG has already played, they are playing a 4-3-3. Marquinhos is coming back, तो backline उनकी और solidify हो रही है. So you were mentioning Florenzi has come from Roma. He has actually already played 5 games, and he has been good, really good,
Yeah.
at least on paper. Bakker is playing because Bernard Joe, who had played really well against us last year, he is injured. Kaylor Navas, जो Madrid से है, he's obviously the guy starting between the sticks. Midfield में गए Idrissa गए और Herrera, they choose themselves. They have been starting consistently since last season when they are injury free. Third player in the midfield, there's a toss-up. Draxler या Rafinha खेल सकता है. Rafinha just came from Barcelona ये transfer window में. So I'm not that concerned about Draxler or Rafinha, but yeah, Gueye and Herrera will offer us like good amount of compactness and also solidity to that central midfield. They are missing Verratti, so that's a big thing. And in the front three, Mbappe, Neymar given already. We already spoke about that. Sarabia खेल start कर सकता है. He had a pretty good game last time, and the reason we have put Sarabia on the team sheet is because Di Maria is just coming back from injury. तो Di Maria chance तो है, and if he starts, then और भी lethal हो गया. Mbappe, Neymar, Di Maria as a front three.
See,
Who is missing currently on from their side?
एक तो उनका बेस्ट मिडफील्ड है वेराटी, पैराडेज और हरेरा, जिसमें से 2 लोग इंजर्ड है. उनका बेस्ट फ्रंट 3 है, बेस्ट फ्रंट 4 है एम्बापे, नेमार, इकार्डी एंड डिमारिया, जिसमें 2 लोग मिसिंग है. सो दे आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन 4 की प्लेयर्स. डिमारिया है अवेलेबल बट अनलाइकली टू स्टार्ट. कर भी सकता है बट एंड किया तो आई थिंक इट वुड बी हिज फायर एंड हिम पुटिंग हिज हैंड अप कि मुझे खेलना है यूनाइटेड के अगेंस्ट, इसके लिए खेलेगा वो. मैच फिट नहीं है वो खेलने के लिए. एंड अगर वो खेलता है, इवन द लास्ट टाइम वी प्लेड देम, he was dangerous in the end. We sort of frustrated him out of the game, but he was dangerous. मुझे especially the last couple of times when he was booed by the Old Trafford crowd, and मतलब it's not been a great relationship between the fans and Di Maria, which is unfortunate. ऐसे मतलब there shouldn't be any bad blood, but उसके वजह से if he plays, he is going to play with some fire. So apart from Neymar and Mbappe, we should watch out for Di Maria if he plays. I wouldn't be surprised if he's the one who scores or assists, or if he plays the full 90 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if he's the man of the match.
Right. Anyways, so I guess that's all, right? Saurabh, or kuch? We are running out of time, by the way. So
yeah, one last thing. I feel this game is going to be a complete contrast as to what we are going to play against Chelsea. ये गेम में जितना डिफेंसिवली खेलेंगे उतना ही मुझे लगता है कि we'll be bold against Chelsea, and we'll talk about in the next preview. But मुझे लग रहा है कि 4-1 against Newcastle, we'll lure ये extremely defensive mindset के साथ PSG के against, and then we'll lure Chelsea under the false comfort के हम लोग उनके against भी low block खेलेंगे, but we are going to blow them away. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. Let's cross our fingers.
Anyways, guys, that's all from us. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.